Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and deactivate your Instagram account after the new update available right there in your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Instagram app, tap on your profile icon on below right corner, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, go to settings option, and now you will tap on your account center right over here. This will open this settings. Go ahead, tap on this personal details, tap on your option called account ownership and control right there. Once you tap on that, you will get this deactivation or deletion option given below. Simply go ahead, tap on this one, tap choose your account Instagram, and now you will find this deactivate account by default chosen there. Tap on this continue, and now you will have to enter the password that you created while creating your account right there. So after you enter that password, you will be able to tap on this continue option given below, and you will tap on that and you are good to go. You will be able to deactivate your Instagram account right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.